Come Kids Nursery.
A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. Fantastic! G is for guitar. H is for hat. I is for ice cream.
J is for jump. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for orange. Is for panda. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. Is for sun. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone.
Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.